Hi there, I'm Jackson from ActionJacksonFitness.com. I'm a certified personal trainer, a certified kettlebell instructor, and I'm also a nationally published fitness model. I'm here today to talk to you about how to increase your testosterone levels naturally. My first tip is sleep. Get about 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Sleep deprivation is one of the primary drivers for low testosterone levels, so make sure you're getting your sleep. Next is alcohol consumption. Alcohol consumption is linked directly to low testosterone levels, so limit your alcohol consumption to no more than 2 drinks per day. Next is exercise. Exercise at least 3 to 4 times a week for at least an hour a session. Now you can go a little bit more or even a little bit less, but you want to get regular exercise. Also, don't overdo it. Overtraining is linked directly to low testosterone, so make sure you're not killing yourself in the gym every single day. This might seem obvious, but the next one is lower your stress levels. Do this with yoga, breathing exercises, meditation, or just taking a step back from everything and turning the computer and the phone off and relaxing for a few minutes. Also, check your zinc levels. Supplementing with zinc can often lead to increases in testosterone level. Some men who are deficient in testosterone tend to have a deficiency in zinc. There is a relationship there, so check that out. Another factor that often causes low testosterone is obesity and being overweight. Lean muscle mass is directly linked to high testosterone levels. So if you're obese or overweight, you want to start a regular exercise program and really cut down your body fat levels. That's going to really help increase your testosterone. And lastly, check your medications. Sometimes medications could have adverse side effects that do things such as lowering your testosterone levels. So you want to have a conversation with your doctor or do some research on your own and find out if your medications could be affecting your testosterone levels. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'm Jackson from ActionJacksonFitness.com.